Convert 3/4 to a decimal. Whenever you want to convert a fraction to a decimal and the denominator is kind of friendly, what you're going to want to try to do is see if there is a way you can turn 4 into a multiple of 10. Like, can I turn 4 into 10 or 4 into 100 or 4 into 1,000? And you try to figure out what number you multiply that 4 to turn it into one of those really friendly numbers. So I really can't multiply 4 to anything that'll give me 10, but you know what? I could turn 4 into 100 pretty easily by multiplying it by 25. Now, whenever you multiply a number, that's a denominator, by 25, you have to do the same thing to the numerator. So I'm going to do 3 times 25, which is 75. Now, that doesn't give me the decimal, but I can read this fraction as 75 hundredths. So you write out the decimal 75 hundredths as 0 and 75 hundredths, 0.75. And that's your answer.